So, looking at the week ahead, this is the weekly chart, and as you can see, we've got these relative equal lows here, which I find it very strange that this low has been taken by this candle, but not these. So that's a little bit suspicious. That's something that we've got to keep an eye on moving forward. There's nothing else really that interests me. This interested me, but that's already been taken, so that's gone now. The only other thing that interests me is this here, this area right here, because nothing's really done anything with that at the minute. So if looking from a weekly perspective, it's very strange how this hasn't been taken, but this is also my area of you can take profit area, depending on if we get other confluences on the lower time frames. So on the daily, we've got this level here, and we've also got this level here, which I am very interested in. This level down here, which will be quite interesting to watch. So at the minute we're just in between this range, high and low, and then nothing really going on in here. We've got a drop-based drop, so it is possible that we might see some sort of reaction out of this. Maybe for further downside, but it really depends, because this candle was so bullish. This was 199 points, which is like, I don't know, say 50, I think it's 50 or 60 points over the standard ATR for this pair, which is very, very odd. This zone is going to be of interest going into next week. I mean, Monday could be, you know, like test this, come down a little bit, and then shoot up and aim for this higher weekly point, and then see what happens after that. If we go to the 1 hour, we can see that price came up to here, and then it's filled this gap here. So that's quite interesting to notice. It's come back up into this general area, filled this gap here, and then started to break structure on a lower time frame and start to proceed to the downside. So that's also something that we need to notice. With the weekly being as it is, kind of just consolidating, I'm kind of just inclined to leave Monday and then see what happens Monday and trade off that as a bias. But if we're looking at all of this, we can see that last week we had all these highs in here which performed, and then every single one of them were taken, filled this area of imbalance up here, and then prices started to create higher lows and lower lows and lower highs. So if it breaks this, I'm probably going to be looking for more upside potential through the week. If it breaks down below this level here, I'm going to be looking at taking short positions, depending on what the sessions do and the session ranges. But at the minute, I think primarily I am looking at getting long, but if we have a 1-2 for a Tuesday low of week, maybe to fill this down here. So we had a 1-2, fill this gap, and then a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday expansion into this overall weekly zone up here to take out the external liquidity from the daily. Oh no. Yeah, that's basically what I'm going to be looking for nothing really much else to say about it, to be honest. Obviously, I know there's a large gap here on the daily, but that could also be the 1-2 for Monday, Tuesday, fill a gap, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday expansion. Take out these highs here into this weekly level.